If you've ever wondered how to unfollow everyone on TikTok, you're in the right place. But here's the thing, you can't do it all at once. Don't worry though, I've got a detailed manual method to help you clean up your following list. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Ensure that you're logged in and ready to take control of your following list. Once you're in, locate the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It looks like a little silhouette. Tap on it to access your profile. Now, within your profile, you'll see an option labeled Following. Give it a tap to reveal the list of accounts you're currently following. Scroll through the list and find the account you want to unfollow. Once you've identified the account, tap on the following button next to their name. You'll see the button change to Follow, indicating that you're no longer following that account. Confirm your decision by tapping on it. To unfollow additional accounts, simply repeat the process. Tap Following next to the account's name, watch the button change, and confirm your decision. It's that easy. So there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide on how to unfollow everyone on TikTok, even if it can't be done all at once. Remember, this method allows you to take control of your following list one account at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy unfollowing.